Definitely.
All right, ladies and gentlemen.
It's not too good for broadcasters to goof on ring announcers, but going back and forth is sort of like a tag team.
They're definitely tag team in this 10-year anniversary. Little DMX action. This should be a great fight right here. You got Alpha Toure, who's 3-0 versus Cory Callender. This should be an interesting one. He's first time defending his belt after taking it away from Christian Dotton.
Now, not only is it his first title defense, but the champion told me earlier today that he wants to be the first man to dethrone Jon Jones.
Yes, I remember him saying that to me once before in an interview. He's very serious about that. He's a tall guy, a big guy for his weight class, and he's slowly putting it all together.
And as a youngster, that is the truly highest of expectations you can have for yourself. To not call out somebody in the company, but to call out, arguably, pictograms or no pictograms,
best fighter of all time
in Jon Jones.
Yep.
And he's going to have a huge size, speed advantage over his opponent, Cory Callender.
Cory Callender is a guy who's fought John Gotti III, the grandson of the notorious Teflon Don. Didn't go in his favor as he...
As someone who grew up with Gambino family on my block, I'm going to have to take the fifth on that.
From City Island, MMA, trained by Edwin Castro, wearing the traditional Muay Thai trunks with gold trim. Here is Alpha Toure!
Alpha, when I asked him what his record was, said soon to be 4-0. Very confident young man.
Just proving the guts to say something like that.
Wearing the black traditional MMA shorts, here is Cory Callender!
Here we go. Title fight, first title fight of the evening.
Using the height advantage to his...
Oh, nice leg body kick right there, right to the sternum. But this is the most aggressive I've ever seen Alpha come out in a fight. Alpha Toure is a guy who usually starts a little slower in the first round, but here he's very confident, as you can see.
Well, look, now he's no longer the hunter. Now
he's the champ.
hunted.
Yeah, he's the lion right now, and he's putting right to Cory. Cory just can't breathe. Oh, big kick to the face.
Teeing off, and Cory asking for more.
Yeah, he shakes it off and says, "Bring some more." Nice
Alpha
knee to the body. Woo!
Alpha is an alpha male.
Yeah, he's living up to his name right now, that's for sure.
Now he's asking for more after those leg kicks.
Nice right down the middle. The Alpha's really showing he's progressed and taking it to that next level. He's a guy who said he just wants to keep training and advancing.
Cory just standing in front of Alpha as Alpha's teeing off on him. Cory coming back.
Oh, big strikes for Cory. Showing a little heart right there after taking a beating through his first round. A little respect between the both fighters. Great round for Alpha, though.
Absolutely.
Cory, you can see in the corner, is feeling it a little bit. Gets a little spritz from his Vamos coach.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, make a little noise for our official JackHammer Promotions weight card girl, the lovely Duchess A.
Larry the Legend giving a shout out to the Broads. As you hear the fans screaming into the ring, giving their opinion on what the fighters should do. Never usually correct, but all right. Here we go, round two, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, nice
Cory
leg kick.
opens up with those low kicks, but no effect whatsoever on Alpha as he's just keep on moving forward.
Nah, he looks like a string bean, but he packs power. And he's got that leg reach, too. I'm surprised he's getting in as tight as he is.
Alpha teeing off on him in the corner, lefts and rights, landing.
Nice kick right there on the inside of the leg for Cory. Alpha's pushing forward. Alpha, if he keeps working down the middle, he'd have a lot more success. He likes coming out wide.
And here's the thing about Alpha. He's sort of like a brand new baby deer. He has the body, he has the size, he just has to grow into it.
To learn how to use it, yeah.
And being he's so young, when he gets older, he is going to be one dangerous fighter.
Yeah, when you have a body size like that, the long legs, long arm, hard to get in on someone. And he wants to transition into MMA down the road. So I don't know what his ground game looks like or anything like that, but it should be interesting. He'll bring this nice, prolific striking over to MMA. But as we all know, MMA is it's different world. And Cory just keeps eating some shots, answering with some of his own. A little Diaz slap right there by Alpha. Yeah.
Cory trying to answer back, but Alpha just walking right through him.
Oh, nice right.
What a hook.
Cory's packing some power.
But once again, no effect on Alpha whatsoever.
No, he's just still walking forward, but he's got to keep that distance, though. He keeps getting in too tight. Either that or work the bod.
And not so friendly after round two.
No, I don't think there was a glove tap in that one. Still going to have to give that to the champion. Those who are listening right now, thanks for joining the broadcast. We have a special show. This is a 10-year anniversary. Can't get any better, right, my man? Bam.
Except maybe, I don't want to throw rain on the 10th anniversary, but an 11th would be better than a 10th.
That is true. That is true. Next year. And the old fights tonight, except for the MMA fight, are all 2-minute rounds by either 3 or 5. The main event's 5 rounds. MMA is 3 by 3.
Which, once again, like we said before the card started, I am really looking forward to Chrissy Andoli and Lisa Lynn throwing down, because Lisa does not take a step backwards.
No, not at all. This should be an exciting one. And I don't think, I know Chrissy knows because she's a professional, but I don't think her fans realize it's going to be a tough fight for Chrissy. It's not going to be an easy cakewalk for her.
No, not at all.
So here we go, Alpha. Oh, a stumble right there. Bada bing. Alpha wants the high five, grabs his nuts and shakes them at him.
Well, maybe, with the weather, they were hot.
They could be hot. They get sweaty nuts when you're in there. Cory's asking for some more action.
And he's getting it.
I would love to see Alpha throw like a question mark kick. That fake kick to the body and it comes up and hits you in the face. As he almost caught him with that heel right there. Imagine if Alpha could throw some elbows. He's got that reach. Boom. As he's being warned right there about the elbows. And Cory definitely feeling it right now. Takes a deep breath.
Alpha needs a nickname of the male. And then to go to the West Coast and train with Uriah Faber at Team Alpha Male.
Yeah, did you see that kick by Cory, though? He looked like a fat kid playing dodgeball or kickball. Nice kick on the inside.
I'm going to break kayfabe.
Oh, nice right. Oh, nice left. Oh, Cory's feeling it.
Cory's out on his feet. I don't know how.
Yeah, he's hanging on. Alpha needs to get him away from him. And boom! Oh, just missed that head kick. Yeah, he's barely hanging on. Now they're dancing at the prom. 10-second warning. Alpha's just owning him. Puts his hands in the air. Lands a left. Oh! What a way to finish that fight! Wow!
Alpha Male!
Oh, holy smokes! What a way to finish that fight.
Alpha celebrating like Israel Adesanya now.
It was so nonchalant.
Forget the question mark kick. That is what you call an exclamation point shot.
Yeah, that was a way to finish the fight. That front kick blasted Cory off the ropes.
And the way he went back, he's lucky he didn't go through the ropes or he would have landed.
Yeah, he would have right into the bar. They would have been serving Cory all night. Larry Legend climbs back in the ropes.
And we'll see how long that lasts tonight.
We're already up to our 7th fight of the evening. It is flying through, ladies and gentlemen. Or is it? No, it is. It's 6:30.
And now both fighters showing mad love and respect for one another.
Your attention, please. First of all, let's give it up for both of these warriors for giving their all in this last fight.
We're going to have to give it up to them. Give it up to them.
Your winner, as a result of judges' unanimous decision, the blue corner.
And still the defending JackHammer champion.
Cory all smiles now, but earlier he was doing anything but smile.
Yeah, that's for sure. He definitely took a beating in there.
Feels good, man. Hey, give it up for that guy, man. He's a tough guy. Tough guy, man. Forward to a good fight. I got what I wanted. That's supposed to be. Thank you, guys. What promotions and any title defenses in the future? Moving up to the heavyweight. Give me a second to get that heavyweight belt. Let's get it, baby.
Moving up to heavyweight.
Alpha trying to become a champ.
Big title defense.